What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike, aka Michael Mitchell, back at it again with another video. In today's video, it's actually a really quick video, but it's definitely something you should be aware about, especially if you use the Robinhood app. So that is basically a new way to buy stocks in the Robinhood app. Let's just get right into the video and I'll explain everything to you. Let's go. Alright, so let's open the Robinhood app on up, sign in, Face ID, all that good jazz. And you can see we're above 6,000, but we're not here for that video. That video will probably be coming sometime next week, maybe the week after that. You know what video that is if you watch my channel. If not, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, and then you'll find out what that video is about. Regardless, this is a new way to buy with the Robinhood app. This is a new feature that's not available to everybody yet, but once you get this feature, you can take full advantage of it when you actually get the feature. I recently got the feature over the past couple of days, and I just started using it on one of my stocks, and that stock is AT&T. So let's scroll down to AT&T, which is just labeled as T for your ticker symbol. AT&T is T. If you didn't know, now you know. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see, my position on it and all that kind of good stuff. And you can also see reoccurring investments. So yes, Robinhood now has recurring investments. So that basically means if you want to invest a certain amount of money every single week, day, month, year, or whatever into a particular stock, you can do that instead of just putting your money in Robinhood and then, actually manually doing it yourself. So right now I have mine set up for just AT&T, and it is $5, I believe, every single week. Yes, $5 weekly, and it'll come out of my checking account. You can set it up to come out whatever account you want to come out of, and you can also, delete it at any time you want. It's all up to you, all personal choice and whatnot. So I have it set up to that. So essentially $5 every single week, no matter what this price is at the top, $5 will always go in. And basically the overall gist of this is dollar cost averaging. You want to spend the most time in the market instead of timing the market. You can see AT&T today is actually down a little bit, so it might be a good time for me to buy or somebody else to buy. But maybe 2-3 days from now, AT&T will be way up. People might not buy on the day it's way up, but other people might still buy on its way up because it might go up even further. If you buy every single week, then you essentially get the average of that going forward over time. And so basically you're staying in the market longer, you're staying in the market over time instead of trying to time the market and only buy when it's dips. It's always good to buy dips because if you buy dips in the market, essentially mean when the price goes down, you're essentially getting whatever you're going to buy on sale if you look at it that way. Some people don't. Personally, I do. But in the event that you miss a dip, your recurring investment that you might have turned on could actually save you. So you would go ahead and buy that stock that you planned on buying anyway, but you might have missed it because you simply just didn't buy it that day. You might have been busy. I have no idea what you're doing. We all have busy lives. We all have other things to worry about. So if you can invest automatically, why not invest automatically? So every single week I have $100 going into the Robinhood app. As you can see, I spent some money today. Today is Monday. So I spent a little bit of money. I actually bought, what stock did I buy? Today I actually bought some Medical Properties Trust, which is more real estate stock. I bought some more of that today. And like I said before, I invest $100 every single week. On top of investing $100 every single week, I also invest $5 going straight to AT&T. So it'll get deposited into the Robinhood app and it'll go straight to the AT&T stock and it'll buy it at whatever price it is at open. And that's simply that. That's great because, like I said, dollar cost averaging, spend more time in the market than trying to actually time the market. You'll overall come out with a better investment. It's no reason to try to time the market. If we're being completely honest, you're not going to beat it. Research shows that people generally don't beat it. I'm pretty sure it's over 90% of people don't beat the market. So it's best just to go ahead and invest whenever you can invest instead of trying to invest when the price is low and hopefully the price goes up when you actually buy. We'll see. But overall, just try to invest over time and you'll be all good. Overall, there is no special date for when the recurring investments may occur on your account, but if you reach out to Robinhood, through their support link and you ask them, can they enable that feature for you? I'm pretty sure you might be able to get it a little bit faster than somebody else that didn't reach out. So that's just a little tip. If you want to actually get it as soon as possible, I would say just reach out to the Robinhood support. I personally didn't do that. I actually just waited. I wasn't really pressed for this feature, so I really wasn't worried about it, but some people may use it and it's a great feature to have. For instance, if I want to invest $100 every single week like I'm doing now, but I want $5 to go to whatever stock I wanted to go to, but I didn't want to buy $5 at every single stock every week, it would be 100% perfect for me. So like I said before, time in the market. Do not try to time the market. You probably won't beat it. It's possible that you can beat it, and high praise to you if you can. There's nothing wrong with doing that. But for the average person, yes, the average person, which is basically almost all of us, timing the market just simply won't work for us. So like I said before, more time in the market over time and you'll get a better return on your investment. That is essentially all I have to say for this video, and that is the new way to buy stocks with Robinhood. If you wish to just buy and sell stocks normally on the Robinhood app, I made a video all about that. And if you want to see exactly what I'm invested in all the time. Basically, I make a whole series of videos on that, so make sure you check both of those type of videos out. They should be on my channel as a Robinhood video playlist, but in case they're not, I'll have them linked in this video. So if you have any questions about the Robinhood app, investing, personal finance, because that's essentially what this whole channel is about: personal finance, money, tech, sometimes, you know, here and there. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all that kind of good stuff. You know, gotta do the shameless plugs, you know what I'm saying? If you have any other questions that you don't feel like doing in any of those places I just mentioned, make sure you hit up my socials on Twitter, on Instagram, all that kind of stuff. You guys know where to find me. It's not that hard, and I respond to basically everyone. Some comments do get lost, so if you really can't reach me, or if I don't respond on YouTube, make sure you just hit me up on my Twitter or Instagram. I definitely will respond. There's no question about that. So that's kind of it for this video. Thank you for watching it. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.